Good morning, everybody. It's 20 to 7. The sky's just starting to lighten up, and it's the calm before the storm. We got a big one coming in, so my goal is to, let me get some light here. My goal is to get the rain gutters cleared out, get everything kind of ready to go for the storm. It'll be an interesting one. Got to wait for it to get a little bit lighter first, so I think another cup of coffee is favored. I probably shouldn't have waited too long to do this. Well, I mean, like this gutter here, I cleaned it out already once, but we'll double check it. The one in the back, though, is the bad one. Oh, my ladder's sinking. Yeah, the one in the back is a bad one. Well, it looks pretty good. Anyway, the one in the back is the bad one. And I haven't checked that at all this year, so it's probably pretty bad, I'm guessing. And the reason it's so bad is it's so small. Every little thing you can think of gets stuck in it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nasty. I got a plan for that one though. I think I'm going to actually use the air hose once it gets a little later. It's only 7:21 right now. So we'll see. I'll take you guys up there and show you once we get to that point. I've also started draining the pool because we could be getting 5-6 inches of rain on this storm, and yeah, don't want the pool overflowing. It was pretty full. It didn't have 5 or 6 inches to spare, so here we go. Well, everybody, the storm is here. It's about 7 a.m. Sunday morning. Heard a lot of banging around the last hour or so. Some pretty good wind. So I'm just gonna hunker down in the house, hold down the fort. I'll document the storm as the day wears on and just stay dry and warm in the house. Well, the storm is definitely here. I gotta go pick up Annabelle at her friend's house down the road. I'm tempted to make her walk home in the rain, but no, I couldn't do that. Look at those palm trees just blowing. I should have got some new wiper blades. They're saying the worst part of the storm is still ahead of us. It's only 10:21 a.m. right now, and they're saying about 2-3 o'clock we're going to see the worst part of it. All right, we're almost there. So one of my goals today is going to be this area that you see right here. This is I know it's an old dresser, but it's a dresser. I guess, oh my God, it's kind of embarrassing. I just got junk. I got hard drives. I got batteries, flash and glass. You know, it's just a whole thing. So I want to get this cleaned up. This is like I want to get this whole bedroom cleaned up, but this is one of 3 areas that I want to focus on immensely. Look at the lantana. Oh, it's doing so good under the grow light. I got grow lights coming for the laundry room in there, and that's where a lot of the tropicals and stuff are going to be for the winter time. I want to get a spot behind you guys just everything kind of cleaned up in here. So that's what I'm working on today. I'm probably not going to film it because you guys don't want to see just cleaning. So I'll probably show you the end result of all of these areas once I'm finished. And this is another one of those areas that desperately needs something done to it. I got my little guppy tank right there, and just knickknacks and trash, and actually down here on the floor around it is actually a lot worse. So we're going to be working on this too. This is on the opposite corner. I didn't remove the fan from the window. That's just there in the, for the summertime when the cool summer nights, I like having the fan on instead of running the AC. But the pothos, I had a grow light up here, which I moved into the grow space in there, but the pothos has just done amazing under that grow light. It doesn't really need it, so I'm not concerned about it, but I need to get all of it figured out. And lastly is going to be this grow space right in here. I need to get both bikes removed so I have room. I have to get the fan and the server cabinet shut off because this time of year I don't need it anymore. And I need to get there's some shelves. I need to get some organization. It's a whole thing. I need to get some organization done in here because I got to fit quite a few more tropical plants in here. I've got to install some more grow lights up in here, but like I said, I'm not going to film all this stuff. I'm just going to go to work hard, and I'll show everybody at the end. Well, I've got this room done. I've got my, Christmas cactus or Thanksgiving cactus, I forgot what that is, butterfly plant. Oh, I've got a little terrarium thing up there. But the dumb cane is in here. Look at that beautiful plant. I mean, come on now. Look at that thing. It's beautiful. That's in here mainly because of some new additions to our household that like to chew on the leaves, and it's not good for them to chew on. We got the Anna Banana right there. Got a few things up in the window there. Got the bikes up there, and it's a whole thing. I'm gonna have to move a lot of this stuff to get my bikes down, but for right now, this room is done. I've got my rubber boots in the sink because it's winter time and I'm gonna be sloshing around in the mud out back, draining water out from all the rain we get. So this is kind of what it's going to look like for now. This might actually change by the end of the day. So I've got right here, I've got a grow light. I've got the bar, the full spectrum bar going across there. We've got the light right up here. Let's see if I could show you. Right there. That's just the regular old, that's a Google, like a smart light. I just tell it to turn on and off and it does. I've got a grow light there, and I've got a grow light there pointing at that stuff. So we've got lots of grow lights in here. I think I'm going to have to leave the door right there opened to keep this room, because as you could see, it's uninsulated. There's nothing. It's just a mess up there. No insulation. So we've got the wood stove in the house, and I think I'm going to have to keep the door opened to keep this room just nice enough for these plants to survive. So I'm probably going to actually be messing this room up, because in order to clean up some of the other spots that I want to do on the other side of that door right there, I'm going to have to move stuff, and I'll probably actually put it right on top of the washer there. I got plants in the dryer. Might put some stuff there, but I'm going to put some stuff there so I can get some stuff organized over there. So I'm going to get to that now. All right, well, I didn't get as much done as I really wanted to. I mean, I got a lot of this cleaned up over here, and we'll spin around over there. I've got a lot of stuff cleaned up over there as well. I got some cobwebs, and I got to put the curtains down, and it's that time of year. It's that time of year where it's just time to chillax, and but the storm is here. It just started sprinkling a little bit not too long ago, so I think it's about time to kind of hunker down, maybe put some music on, and I don't know, just relax and ride out the storm. It's coming tonight through tomorrow into tomorrow night, and it's supposed to be a pretty big bugger. So we'll get the fire going. Maybe I might put some coffee on. I mean, it's 3:30 in the afternoon, but I might just put some coffee on. And I think the rest of the day is just going to be little odds and ends, just kind of doing things here and there. And you know what? I might introduce you guys to the new additions to our household. They like to hide a lot. So this here is Simon. Hey, Simon, baby. Hey, baby boy. You gonna say hi to everybody? Everybody wants to say hi to Simon. He likes to sleep. He is very, very playful. Don't let him fool you. He is a little terror, but being a little terror, he gets tired out too. Hey, Simon. Hey, baby Simon. Yeah. And now, I'm just going to guess where she is. Hey, Wiki. Wiki. Hey, girl. You can almost see her. There you can see her eyeballs at least. Maybe. Can you guys see her eyeballs? It's, Hey, baby. Hey, baby girl. Everybody wants to say hi to you. Hi. Hey, cutie pie. She is just such a scaredy cat. She likes to stay hidden all day long. And we like to just let her hide. She'll get used to it. She'll come out. But they like to hang out in the girls' room quite a bit. These two little fur balls. Oh, there's Wicket. Want to say hi, Wicket? Do you want to say hi, you pretty, pretty kitty? You little scaredy cat. Meow. I know. You're such a scaredy cat. Are you hungry? Is it time to eat a little bit? So these two little fuzz balls were rescued from the local shelter. Wicket is a female. Simon is a male. They're both fixed and got all their shots and everything that they need to have. So, but these are the new members of our family. Yeah, so now you'll know why I do some of the stuff that I do in keeping the fish tank starting to clear up a little bit. But yeah, we keep the stuff shut. I got my propagation stations. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get back to just kind of hunkering down, maybe get a fire going, and we'll catch up in a little bit. So I feel like an explanation is due because we've lost a week. So in the last time I recorded, we were getting all this taken care of and the stuff in there, and we had the storm of the century coming in, and the storm came and went. I didn't get a lot of footage of it, but I did get a little bit, which I'll share. It got pretty bad that night, so I couldn't do any filming. I was out there knee deep in water trying to stop the floods. So, but everything's good. Everything's great, other than being a little bit uncomfortable and out there in the cold and wind and rain. Everything turned out great. And then starting Monday, my hips bugged me for quite some time. But it got excruciating all the way from my hip down to my knee on my left leg. And I haven't been able to do anything. I mean, I've barely been able to go to work. It hurt so bad. But I did go to work all week, every day, didn't miss a day. I've actually got somebody coming by the house today to talk to kind of look at it and see what's what. I've found, I tried ibuprofen. I hate pills, but I tried some ibuprofen. It didn't work at first. Now it is working. So I've kind of just been taking a couple of those a time or two a day. And just to take the edge off and hoping for the best. But I'm feeling pretty good right now. I am hurting, but feeling like I can at least move. So I thought I'd record something and explain what's happened in the last week. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna do my best to get some recording done today, but I'm gonna not overdo it. So let's see what we can get into without overdoing it. I definitely do want to give you guys a quick little update. I don't even know if I've posted the unboxing of these little growing stations yet, but they definitely do grow. I don't know if they're going to produce anything, but it doesn't matter. We're having a good time growing stuff, and you can see there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 slots to grow in. This grow light is, we talked about all this in the unboxing. If you haven't seen that, then check it out. But these are tomatoes here. Pretty happy with it.